You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome and hello. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the nail squad. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. So today's video, I have a collective nail haul. If you guys are interested in seeing what I got, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start off with is the items that I received from Amazon. So I'm not going to go in any particular order when I'm opening these packages. I'm just going to grab a package and open. And we're going to take a look and see what all I got. So move this out the way. I've already opened this one up, so I won't have to fumble with it. Okay, guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you is these box of nail tips that I purchased. And on the website on Amazon, they're classified as 2XL. So these are in the ballerina. And they come 216 pieces. So this is the largest size, which is 0. And then the smallest size, which is 11. Okay, so I picked those up. Now I will say, I think somebody returned these. So hopefully all the pieces are in here because I didn't count it to make sure. But the label is missing off of it. And both of these are made by the same brand. So here's the other case that I bought. And these are supposed to be tapered square. So this is the size 0. And then the smallest, which is an 11. And that's what those look like. And so it's a no C curve. Because you know some of them, they're more like this, which I do not like tips like that. So this is a no C curve. And these come 120. So this one has 120 and the other one, this one has 216. Okay, so the next thing I purchased was another nail brush. And I love Pana nail brush. I love they products. Anyway, so I picked up another size 10, and it's a Kolinsky, and it's in the oval shape. So it has the little wooden handle, and it is pinched down here, as you can see. Okay, so I'll pick that up. And then the next thing I picked up was the 5-in-1 bits, and this is in the fine, and this is also made by Pana. And I have 4 of those. So, yeah, I have 4, but here's 2 of them so far. So I got those. And then I picked up some of their sanding bands. And these are the zebra, and it's a 240 grit. And you get 100 pieces in here. So I got that. I actually got 2 of these. So here's the second box. Now I've never purchased their sanding bands before. So okay, so here is the other 2 of the 5-in-1 and fine. So like I said, I have a total of 4 of them. And I love these. I absolutely love the 5-in-1s. So I had to pick up some more of those. And then the next thing I picked up was 2 of their cuticle bits. And it's in the fine, and it's just a ceramic. I love these as well. So as you can see, so I got 2 more of those. Then I picked up this cleanup brush, and this is in the number 8. So I usually use this when I'm doing polygel. It works really good for that, and it also works good as a cleanup brush. So I picked up another one of these. Then I picked up 2 of the extra coarse 5-in-1, and I picked it up in the black color. I don't have any in the black. I be trying to do different colors. I don't know why, but yes, I picked up 2 of these, and I absolutely love these to take down acrylic really good. And then last but not least, from Amazon, I picked up this All Shine On Me. It's a Born Pretty 6-piece gel polish set. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And this is the jelly set. Guys, I don't know. My light is flickering. It's raining outside. And my power went out earlier while I was trying to record. But it came right back on. It didn't stay out long. And now my TV just popped off. Okay. Yeah, the lights are really flickering. And as you know, with Born Pretty, all the information is on the back. And then it comes with your little user manual to tell you how to apply, how to remove, how to prep, and all of that. And then this is what the bottles look like. So I'm just going to quickly take them out. I'm not going to swatch these on camera. I'll do a separate video on that because I don't want to make this video too long. And I love how now they have the colors on top so you can see. So you don't have to swatch them anymore. So this is SG01. Oh, this is pretty. So this would be really good for spring and summer. Pretty color. And then number 2. Pretty green. I can't wait to swatch these. So pretty. Then number 3. Orange. Well, you know what? This might be yellow. Because once you apply it and it cures under the light, it'll show up differently. I don't know what it is, like with alcohol inks and jelly colors. They look one color on the brush. But when you polish it, it shows the true color. So, because the label is yellow, I'm going to assume this is the yellow one. Because this one looks to be orange, which is SG04. Yeah, so that's orange. Really pretty. And then number 5, I'm going to assume this is probably red, even though it looks kind of pinkish. Yeah, oh, that's red. And I actually have some jelly colors from a different brand. And I'm hoping they're not the exact same thing. But if they are, oh well. And then last but not least in this collection is SG06. And that is the purple. This is so pretty. So yeah. So when I swatch these, I will do a comparison to the other brand that I have. Just in case you decide you want to get these. And you have the other collection or another collection, you can kind of see the difference in the colors. Hopefully it is a difference. Okay. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so this came from Mexico. This is my first time ordering from this company. They got this tape really good. Okay, so I got it open finally. Okay, so this is from Mundo de Unes. And it is a stamping plate. Like I said, this is my first time ever making a purchase with them. And the reason why I purchased this particular item, because I saw Nails by Cami here on YouTube unbox this, and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta have that. So I went and made a purchase. So if you guys want to take advantage of that discount code, go ahead and screenshot that. And then this is how it comes. A little bubble wrap. Oh, this is so cute. Hold on. Oh, they gave me a little Patrick's Day little sticker. How cute. And this is what the front of the packaging looks like. It says thank you for your order. This little sleeve is really cute. It has a little texture to it too. I'm gonna hold on to that. Okay, so it's a wrap. Move that out the way. And this is what it looks like. This is really cute. I like this. So it's in a shape of a heart, guys. How cute is this? How freaking cute is this? So as you can see, it has the gnomes on here, and they all different seasons. So you have your summer, you have love, spring, you have Christmas, you got St. Patrick's Day where it says lucky, you have fall, Halloween, 4th of July. So I thought this was really cool to have in a collection. Nice ass images, but really cute. It's like they have a gnome for every occasion. It says gone sweet gone, or gnome sweet gnome I should say. The gnome made me do it. Less people, more gnomes. This is really cute. And I love how they put this on this heart and created a heart shape, I should say. So it has that backing to it, and that's what the back of it looks like. I am really digging this plate. I can't wait to use this. And I love how it comes in its own little sleeve. So that is really cool. So I'll make sure I put that up in a safe spot. And I'm going to show you this one more time, guys. This is so stinking cute. I don't know if it's like a felt material, but it's really cute. It has a bunch of hearts and stuff on it. So I'm going to keep that. And then last but not least, I have this package right here. So we're just going to get this open. Oops, sorry guys. So I purchased a collection of acrylics from Dynamic. And I've never ordered from this company before. And this is their spring collection. So I want to pick up a few spring a few spring colors. And I decided to go ahead and give this company a try and just purchase their whole collection. So I'm going to take everything out the package so you can see what I got. I'm not going to swatch any of this on this video. I'll do a separate video, and I'll probably do this when I do the Born Pretty polishes. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And I want to say that, like, I'm absolutely in love with their packaging. Like, I love a pink, and it has like that rose gold top on it. So this is their information on the front of the bottle. I don't know what's going on with the lights. So this is 1 ounce. All of them are 1 ounces, and I believe it's 12 colors altogether. Yeah, so it's a total of 12 colors. So I'm just going to quickly show you the name and the color. Okay guys, so this is everything that I purchased and my collective haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you who always support my channel. For those of you who watch it who hasn't subscribed to my channel, thank you for watching and tuning in anyway. And as always guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know